Okay, now we start from this lesson 1.2. First number is every rational number is a real number, true or false. Now, what is called rational number and what is called real number? Real number real numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, comma 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Also, we have in this here root over 2, root over 3. All of these are real numbers. Okay. Rational numbers are 0, 1, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, and irrational numbers is root over 2, root over 3, root over 5. Now we can write true. Every rational number is a real number because rational number and real numbers is matching. Okay, rational number and real numbers are matching, so this is true. Okay. Second number said that every point on the number lines is this is every point on the number lines is of the form root over m, where is m is a natural number. This is say m is a natural number. Now what is called natural number? Natural number is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dot dot. This is called natural number. If you given root over 2, then this is not natural number. Okay, so this is false. I know m is a natural number. Also given m is a natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot dot dot. But if you given root over 2, root over 3, then this is not natural number. So this is false. Okay. We know a real number is what? Real numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, dot root over 2, root over 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. This is called real numbers. And irrational numbers is called what is irrational number? This is irrational number. This is root over 2, root over 3, root over 5, root over 7. This is irrational number. But this question said that every real number is an irrational numbers. Not. Now see, this is all of real numbers. Every real numbers is not irrational numbers. Okay? So this is false. Number 2 question said that are the square root. Square. Square means this is 2 square. Okay? This also said that square root 2 স্কোয়ার পিছত কি কৰিব দিছে ৰুট কৰিব দিছে ৰুট 2 স্কোয়াৰ ইকুৱেল 4 তাৰপিছত কি কৰিব দিছে ৰুট অভাৰ কৰিব দিছে আকৌ 4 টো আমি যদি 2 স্কোয়াৰ কৰি দিওঁ স্কোয়াৰ ৰুট অভাৰ কেনসেল দেন ইউ গেট 2 এণ্ড 2 ইজ এ ৰেচনেল নাম্বাৰ এটো হৈছে এনসাৰ কাৰেক্ট এনসাৰ আমাক কি কৈছিল যে all positive integers are irrational number if not given an example of the square root of number that is rational number মানে যেটো উদাহৰণ দিছো হেতু কি নাম্বাৰ হেতু খুদিছে তাৰমানে এটো আমি তোমাৰ 2 স্কয়াৰ টো আমি ৰুট কৰিলো ৰুট ওভাৰ কৰাৰ পিছত কি পালো অনলি 2 পালো 2 is a rational number আমি জানো 2 টো এটা পৰিমেয় সংখ্যা অসমীয়াত কোৱা হয় this is called rational number okay second number is number 3 so how root over 5 can be represented on the number line what is called number line first I know number line is this is 0 in right hand side you will take plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and left hand side 0 after come minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 this is called number line okay now question said that root over 5 also same to same root over 2 root over 3 root over 6 anyone this is root over 2 root over 3 anyone will come for exam same to same if I can write root 5 like this root over 2 root over 3 root over 6 okay I know that what is called number line this is called number line start from 0 right hand side if you go plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and left hand side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 now how can represented root over 5 on the number line okay anyone you can start from 1 also start from 2 তোমাৰ 0 পৰা 1 লৈ ডিসটেন্স যিমান হ'ব ইফালে তুমি হিমান ল'ব লাগিব গম পাইছানে from 0 to 1 this is 1 centimeter if you take this is 1 centimeter in this here 0 to 1 distance 1 to same 1 centimeter this is root over 2 ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈ যিমান ডিসটেন্স লৈছা ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈ সিমান ল'ব লাগিব then you can write this is first number is root over 2 ধৰিলা তোমাৰ এক্সামত আহিলে root over 2 how can represent on the number line তেতিয়া এইটো হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ গম পাইছানে root over 2 তাৰপিছত এনেকৈ কৈ দিবা এইটো হ'ল root over 2 এইটো হ'ল নাইবা also you can do from 0 to 2 this is 2 centimeter then also you can take and this is 2 centimeter and from 2 to in this here 2 centimeter but I can take 0 to 1 centimeter so this is 1 centimeter বুঝি পাইছা এতিয়া this is root over 2 now we have root over 5 how can represent on the number line root over 5 root over 2 after come what root over 3 after come what root over 4 after come what root over 5 after come what 6 okay then enake koi dibo par hol root over 2 after come root over what root over 3 in this here 0 to 1 centimeter ইয়াৰ পৰা yellow 1 centimeter ইয়াৰ পৰা yellow 1 centimeter লৈছা যদি 2 centimeter লোৱা তেতিয়া ইয়াৰ পৰা yellow 2 ইয়াৰ পৰা yellow 2 ইয়াৰ পৰা yellow 2 হেনেকে হৈ গৈ থাকিব বুজি পাইছা নহয় এতিয়া root over 2 3 root over 3 after come what root over 3 after come what root over 4 root over 4 means only 2 okay root over 4 after come what root over 5 now understand this is root over 5 represented on the number line all of solution in this here root over 2 root over 3 root over 5 root over 4 তোমাৰ এক্সামত যিকোনোটা আহিলে তুমি ইয়াৰ পৰা কৈ দিব পাৰা গুটেকেটা একেলগে বুজাই দিলো হল now we have finished